Step 1 is to create a PayID using something easy to remember. If you're creating your PayID online, you'll do this within your usual online or mobile banking. Your PayID could be the same number as your mobile number, your email or your ABN. Just check with your financial institution which options they offer. For extra security, your bank will confirm that you own the information that you've chosen as your PayID. Then, they will securely link your PayID to your account, registering this with other banks on the new payments platform. Just remember to stay cyber savvy. Your bank will never ask you to provide your information via email links, phone calls, or ask you for your internet banking login details or passwords. If you're unsure, just check with your bank. Once it's set up, when someone owes you money, simply ask them to pay you using your PayID. They log onto their mobile or online banking and make a PayID payment. Each bank does this slightly differently. In some, Pay a PayID will automatically appear as an option. In others, you may need to choose an Osko payment first. And remember, a PayID can only be used to pay money into your account, never take money out. Whenever a person pays you using your PayID, your name will appear. All they have to do is confirm it's you. Their bank will then securely communicate with yours, transferring the money into your account. And if it's an Osko payment, the money will usually be sent within a minute. If you've still got questions, check out payid.com.au or contact your bank. PayID. Simple as.